Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how you can share your screen on Discord application. So I'm using an Android. This is an Android Discord application. So we will learn that how you can share your screen on this application. So first you need to tap on the chat option of the person that you want to share your screen with. The next thing you need to do is to call them a video call. So I will tap and have a video call with this person. Now the call has been made, and now once you tap on the screen, you will see the option at the bottom here. So all you need to do is to drag the screen. So all you need to do is to drag the screen up. Once you drag the screen up, you will find the option here, share your screen. So all you need to do is to tap on the share your screen. So once you tap on share your screen, you need to start now. And you need to go back to your Discord application, and here in this video I will go out of it, and as you can see in the small window here, you can see that my screen has been shared with the person that I have the video call. So I will show you one example. If you open this other application, as you can see here, you will find that I'm sharing my screen to the other person. So guys, this is how you can share your screen on Discord application. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.